Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. आशा करता हूँ आप सभी लोग ठीक हो. So guys, before starting this video, I want to tell that this video will be entirely in English. The reason because I am making this video in English is because my friend told me that I should make videos in English. This will increase my audience. So I thought why not. So here I am making video in English. So guys, I highly recommend you to please give your feedback through dislikes, likes or comments because this is an experimental video. So I want to know your reviews, like whether my experiment was successful or not. So enough of talks, let's start the video. But before that, let's roll the intro. So guys, as you know that I have recently moved in a new house. So here I am giving you my house tour. So let's start. So guys, let's go in the house. So as we arrive in the house, we have two paths whether we can go down or up. So I will choose to go up. So guys, as we arrive in the house, the first thing we see that is our kitchen, and this kitchen is shared by 6 peoples, and pretty much everything you can find is in this kitchen, but except one thing, and that is storage. Because as you can see, my products are still lying there, and it's almost 15 days I am here and I can't find space to put my stuff. But hope so after 1 month or so I will get some space and I will put that. So this was my kitchen, guys. So guys, in my right there are 3 rooms of my housemates, so I can't go there because I need to respect their privacy. And in my left is my living room, and it is a pretty much big living room, and I got a sofa and a TV, which is a good time pass for me because I generally sit here and just do my assignments and watch TV also. So pretty much we always spend our time here, and this was all for the living room. So guys, it's time to go in the basement and see my room. But
Wait a minute!
if you have seen my previous video where I was saying that how to find a room, in that I have told that you should not go in a basement room for blah 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 reason. And here I am living in a basement room.
हिपोक्रेसी की भी सीमा होती है.
So guys, this is my room, and here we go. So guys, in this room I got a queen size bed with a study table and full windows. The windows are the main reason why I selected this room, because all basement room does not have such kind of windows, and because of this you cannot differentiate whether this room is a basement room or a main floor room. And more than that, I also got a closet. But I need to tell something about you about this closet, that generally in every Canadian house you will get a closet, but you will not get the storage. Means these are known as the storage where I am keeping my clothes, and you need to buy it on your own. Generally landlord don't give it. In my case also I was not having them, but I purchased it from Facebook Marketplace, and trust me guys, they are very cheap. Like this piece, if you go to buy in Walmart, it will charge you around $20, but I have got this whole set in $25. So guys, this was it for my room, and now I will show you my second most favorite place of this house. So let's go. So guys, before that, this is my laundry, and it is free of cost. Means everything is included in my rent. And moreover, this is my washroom, which is shared by 3 people, and it is pretty much decent big washroom. So guys, this is another common area, and we generally don't use it, but we just keep our stuff here. And I don't have anything here, but I generally come here because I need to go to my favorite place, and that is my backyard. So guys, this is my backyard, and which is pretty much very big, and I love here sitting here chilling. And trust me guys, the winters are arriving, and soon as the snowfall will start, this whole backyard will be covered with a white sheet of snow, and which will look very beautiful, and I will show you that. Don't worry about that, I will show you. More than that, we also got a barbecue, and this was it guys, this was it. So guys, this was it for my house tour. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and if yes, then don't forget to hit the like button. And if you are new to this channel, so guys, please do subscribe it, and see you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye.